Most people scroll very fast when they are watching YouTube shorts. You have to win that tiny window of attention when you are making a short video. And I've gone through some successful shorts on YouTube, and I've seen that you only have 2 seconds to give viewers the reason to watch your video. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing you the step-by-step process you are going to be using in your video so that you can have a viral shot within short period of time. The strategy I use in hashtag, the strategies I use in uploading my videos, and everything will be explained in this video. So even if you are a new YouTuber, this is going to work for you, and make sure you watch through the step-by-step process so that you can understand the video. The first thing to do is to master the hook. The hook is the first and important part of your short video. Within 2 seconds, you must make viewers curious. You must give them reason to watch your video. Let's say, for example, you can just create, or maybe for the first 2 seconds, you can just let them know or tell them you meet Elon Musk and the experience was so good. People would like to watch the experience. They would like to watch throughout the video, and doing that, you are sending signals to the algorithm, and the algorithm is going to place your short video in front of more people, and the more they are going to be recommending your videos to another people to watch. The second thing to do is to create a perfect loop. Shorts automatically replay, and most successful creators use this to double their watch time. Plan your last line of your video so that it can connect back to the beginning of your video. You might end up mixing it with some B-rolls, and that will capture their attention and encourage them to rewatch your video. Looping your ending into your hook is going to boost your retention and can cause people to watch the entire video multiple times. And once they watch your short video multiple times, it's going to boost the watch time, and the more the algorithm is going to recommend it to other people. The third thing to do is to use trending sound and voiceover. Pair your narration with a popular background sound or music track. Research from viral shorts shows that lightly audible trending audio can help the algorithm group your video with other clips that are using the same sound on YouTube. You can use an AI voice if you are not comfortable speaking to the camera direct. The key is to deliver a perfect story around 30 seconds, and you need to time it perfectly with the backing track. Number 14 to do is to add caption for silent viewer. Many people watch short videos on mute mode. Using big and bold caption is going to help you a lot to grab them to watch your video. And you must let the caption appear in sync with your voice, and you need to highlight the important words with color or light motion to reset attention. Keep each caption chunk between 1 and 5 words so that it is easy to read quickly. Captions are not going to only make your content accessible for those people, but also increase watch time through the rate of silent viewers that are going to be watching your video. The number 15 you are going to be doing is to rehook every few seconds in your video. Shorts succeed when they hold attention. Rehook your audience every 3 to 5 seconds with quick cut, text overlay, or sound effect. Use pattern interrupters or mini reviews. Doing this is going to help you to get more watch time because people are going to be retained on your channel and they are going to be subscribing more. Flash up a surprising static, or you can ask them a question. This keeps the brain engaged, and once their brain is engaged, they are going to stick into your channel and watch the whole shot in your channel, and guess what, they are going to subscribe to the channel, and that is how you are going to grow your subscriber base. The next thing is to write a clear titles and use hashtag. Your title help the algorithm understand your short video. Keep it short and curiosity driven. 8 to 10 words is okay. You don't even have to write multiple keywords or write a long title. Include keywords that are relevant to your niche and avoid clickbait. You don't have to write maybe hashtag, write multiple hashtags. It means you are spamming the algorithm. And hashtag is going to help in categorizing your content, but quality is more important than quantity. Tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ can suggest the exact tag that the similar viral shots, and you are going to use them in your videos too. The next thing is to make sure you are posting consistently. Some people always say that you have to post your short or post content on your channel every single day, but you have to understand this: quality is better than quantity. Research from creator case studies shows that 3 to 5 shots per week can build an audience without burning you out of content. You have to check YouTube analytics to see when your audience are online, or schedule your upload to catch them at a prime time. Consistently train your subscribers to expect new content and feed the algorithm fresh video to test every single week. The next thing to do is to pin a comment and encourage interaction. The most successful shorts outside there rely on engagement. Right after posting, pin a comment in the comment section. Like, you can say something like, did you catch the twist, or agree or disagree. Like, write something that will bring question, that will make people to interact with themselves or to interact with you in your short. And you can also pin a comment and link it to your related video on your channel or playlist to funnel, and this engagement rate is going to help viewers to find your videos more on your channel. And the more they watch your video on your channel, the more money you make, the more bigger you are getting. The next one is to study what works and experiment the reverse. Engineering viral shorts format is very smart. Watch top shots in your niche and break down their structure. How do they open? Where is the peak excitement? Do they use lists, skits, or might busting format? VidIQ or TubeBuddies will let you see which tag or title or thumbnail those top videos are using. Adopt proven structure, but add your own twist so that the content is going to remain your original content. Going viral on YouTube short is not a magic, it's a repeatable process. Hook the viewer in the first second, deliver the value quickly, keep them engaged with the caption, and add pattern interrupts. Also, you have to know how to encourage interaction. Post regularly but focus on quality rather than quantity. With this strategy and a bit of testing, make use of all those steps so that you can the more views on your channel is the more money you are going to be making on your channel, and the more bigger your channel is going to be. So if you are new here on this channel, my name is Michael, and if growing your YouTube channel is your #1 priority, then consider subscribing to this channel and turn on your bell icon so that whenever I drop new videos on this channel, you'll be the first person to be notified by YouTube, and you are going to be the first person to watch the video. And make sure you like this video so that YouTube can also recommend it to more people. And thanks for watching this video.